Here are 6 news stories from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. The next Ethereum update is scheduled for the first quarter of 2025. Ethereum developers are actively preparing for the launch of the Pectra update. According to the documentation, it is expected to take place by the end of the first quarter of 2025. This significant update will introduce the Ethereum Virtual Machine Object Format, encompassing approximately 11 network improvement proposals, EIPs. One of the standout features of the Pectra update will be PeerDAS, a solution for selective data access. PeerDAS utilizes existing components of Ethereum's peer-to-peer network to ensure efficient data distribution and availability. This innovation aims to enhance the network's resilience and performance, addressing current scalability issues. Interestingly, developers will replace the Account Abstraction Proposal EIP 3074 with a more advanced proposal, EIP 7702, presented by Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. EIP 7702 allows external account owners to function as wallets during transactions, significantly simplifying the user experience and enhancing security. This EIP is designed to be highly compatible with end-account abstraction without overly binding the details of ERC 4337 or RIP 7560, the proposal states. The Pectra architecture includes 2 key components, PROG at the execution level and Electra at the consensus level. Together, they aim to optimize transaction processing and consensus mechanisms within the network, ensuring more robust and efficient blockchain operations. While the final scope of Pectra is still under discussion, some proposals, such as the integration of Verkle trees, might be deferred to a future hard fork named Osaka. Second, news. Yen's weakening could raise Bitcoin's price to $1 million. Bitcoin is becoming a global asset influenced by geopolitical and economic dynamics. Former BitMEX CEO and current Maelstrom Chief Investment Officer Arthur Hayes believes that any actions taken in response to the current weakness of the yen will lead to the devaluation of the US dollar and, consequently, to an increase in Bitcoin's price. In his new analytical review, The Easy Button, Hayes stated that the exchange rate of the US dollar to the Japanese yen is the most important global economic variable, as its current instability will ultimately lead to measures by the US Federal Reserve, Fed. A 2-week yen will prompt actions from China, which will try to devalue its currency to remain competitive against Japanese products. In the event of a weakened Chinese yuan, the U.S. industrial complex will find itself in a difficult situation, continuing to push production overseas. Hayes emphasized that to avoid such a scenario, the Fed might take the easy path, simply exchanging newly printed dollars for yen, allowing the Bank of Japan to use the received trillions for currency market interventions. Additionally, this would create conditions for China to continue printing yuan and expanding its money supply without creating an imbalance in its economy. However, if done incorrectly, this could end the dollar's hegemony as a reserve currency, as it would lose a high percentage of its value relative to other fiat currencies and Bitcoin. Hayes calculated that if his theory proves correct, it would be easy for any institutional investor to buy shares of one of the US-registered Bitcoin ETFs. This would make Bitcoin the most effective asset in the face of global fiat money devaluation. Third, news. Texas court finds crypto influencer Ian Balina guilty of securities law violations. A Texas district court ruling states that Sparkster promoter Ian Balina violated U.S. securities laws. The court made its decision based on the Howey test, determining that SPRK tokens qualify as an investment contract and, therefore, are digital securities. The court ruled, from the perspective of justice, U.S. securities laws can be applied to Balina, and SPRK tokens are securities, said the judge. According to the SEC, the promoter purchased SPRK tokens from Sparkster for approximately $5 million. He then organized an investment pool of at least 50 individuals, to whom he offered and sold the tokens, despite the offering not being registered with the SEC, as required by federal securities laws. Ian Balina's lawyer stated that his client intends to challenge the SEC's charges and the Texas District Court's decision in the U.S. Supreme Court. The SEC's demand for disgorgement of ill-gotten gains makes no sense since Balina had no profits at all. In May 2018, Balina had no reason to believe that the tokens in question were securities, said the lawyer. Fourth, news. UAE authorities ban cryptocurrency mining on agricultural farms. The authorities of the United Arab Emirates have recently approved a range of benefits for farmers and subsidies for the implementation of advanced technologies that increase food production volumes. However, the implementation of the food program requires enormous electricity costs, officials worry. The department believes that mining could cause an uncontrollable spike in electricity consumption and, therefore, cannot be conducted on agricultural farms. Violators of the rule face a fine of up to 10,000 AED, about $2,722. Previously, BitGet research analysts reported that by the end of 2024, the number of traders from the UAE conducting daily transactions on global cryptocurrency platforms could exceed 700,000 people. Fifth news. Donald Trump supports cryptocurrency in the U.S. Former U.S. President Donald Trump expressed support for the cryptocurrency sector in the U.S., writing a post on his social network Trump Media and Technology Group, according to Cointelegraph. In Trump's opinion, the U.S. should become a leader in digital currencies and should not settle for second place. I am very positive and open about cryptocurrency companies and everything related to this new and growing industry, he added. Donald Trump, who previously opposed digital currencies, also noted that current U.S. President Joe Biden is killing the crypto industry in the country. As Cointelegraph writes, Trump may have changed his opinion on cryptocurrency ahead of the presidential election scheduled for November 4, 2024. Trump, a candidate for U.S. president, launched his own NFT tokens and opened cryptocurrency donations, which has become a successful tool for promoting his election campaign. Sixth news. CatCoin demands BitForex allow token withdrawals. The CatCoin team called on BitForex to respond to their complaints at the specified email address, stating that in the absence of such a response, they would take the extreme measure of suing BitForex and its former CEO Jason Luo. Specific details about the nature of the complaints are not disclosed, but the harsh language used suggests serious underlying issues that the CatCoin team is prepared to address through legal channels if necessary. CatCoin claims that BitForex has responded with silence to numerous attempts to contact them. The aforementioned public notice serves as the latest such attempt, according to CatCoin. Furthermore, the CatCoin team also requested the intervention of the Hong Kong police to resolve issues with BitForex and Luo. The CatCoin team criticized BitForex for damaging the reputation of the crypto industry and called on prominent crypto influencers to condemn the exchange's alleged actions and advocate for the resolution of the ongoing dispute. In February 2024, less than a month after Luo's departure, BitForex shut down. The sudden closure left users confused and concerned about the fate of their assets. In his resignation statement, Luo expressed his intention to continue supporting the company. According to the CatCoin team, Luo plays a significant role in BitForex's operations despite his official resignation as CEO. They claim that Luo continues to control the exchange's activities despite the platform's inactivity over the past few months. The exchange's account on X has been inactive since February 21, when it posted, "What are the most popular encryption projects in 2024?" The CatCoin team is among many parties affected by BitForex's sudden and unexplained closure. Despite numerous complaints, including those voiced in the exchange's official Telegram channel, BitForex has yet to explain the reasons for its closure, leaving users frustrated and seeking answers. In September 2023, BitForex was among the world's leading crypto exchanges by capitalization. Its daily cryptocurrency trading volume was about $2.6 billion. Currently, CoinMarketCap does not provide real-time data on BitForex. In April 2023, the Japan Financial Services Agency accused BitForex of violating the country's fund settlement laws. According to the regulator, the exchange operated in the country without proper registration.